Hi everyone, it's me, Spring, the fiber enthusiast, and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to do a knitting stitch tutorial, just a pattern. And the pattern we're going to do is lace garter inset stitch. And it's also known as garter lace stitch. You're going to cast on in multiples of 2. Once you have cast on in multiples of 2, we're going to knit 6 rows of garter stitch. For this sample here, I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 stitches. And as I said, you're going to knit 6 rows of garter stitch. So just knit every stitch to the end of the row, every row for 6 rows. Once you have your 6 rows of garter, I'll meet back up with you and we will move on to round 7 through 10. All right, I am back with my 6 rows of garter. We're going to start with row 7. Row 7 is, we're going to yarn over, so yarn over and knit 2 together. There we go, and knit 2 together. And that is your repeat for row 7. Yarn over, knit 2 together. And if you're wondering what size needles I'm using, I am using a 4.5 17-inch long circular, and it is made by Clover. I'm also using, for today's tutorial, Premier yarn. This is Deborah Norval Everyday, and it is the color Kiwi. So you're just going to continue to yarn over, knit 2 together to the end of the row. And that is row 7. Once you reach the end of row 7, you're going to turn your work over and we're going to begin row 8. All right, for row 8, it is your purl row. And we're basically going to do the same thing, except we are going to yarn over and purl 2 together. So again, yarn over and purl 2 together. And that is your repeat for row 8. Yarn over, purl 2 together. Yarn over, purl 2 together all the way to the end of your row. Once you reach the end, you're going to turn your work over, and row 9 is a repeat of row 7, which is where we yarn over and knit 2 together. Yarn over, knit 2 together. And you're just going to repeat that to the end of the row. Once you reach the end of the row, you're going to turn your work over, and row 10 is a repeat of row 8, which is yarn over and purl 2 together. And you will repeat the yarn over, purl 2 together all the way to the end of the row. Once you reach the end of the row, the complete repeating pattern is rows 1 through 10, 6 rows of garter stitch, and then these 4 rows that create this lacy section in between the 6 rows of garter. This is a really neat stitch, and I think it would look beautiful at the bottom of a top or in a cardigan, on a little dress for a young lady. Would be very pretty to add this as some lacing at the bottom of it. Or even on a sleeve. That would be really pretty on a sleeve. At any rate, I just thought that this was a really nice lacy type stitch that you might enjoy working into your next pattern, your next project. If you have used this stitch before, please let me know what you used it in. And what was it called when you used this stitch pattern? So often nowadays, stitches that were originally one name have changed names, sometimes 3 to 6 times or more over the course of many years. So I'm curious, if you did this, was it called the garter lace stitch, or the lace garter inset stitch, or was it something else? All right, everyone, that is it for our knitting stitch tutorial for today. Be blessed and be a blessing. Until next time, bye for now.